Bitcoin has recently taken an interesting turn in the market, with the Germans selling off the Bitcoin and the latest news, the attack on Donald Trump during his presidential campaign. This has taken the internet by storm, the crypto market by storm, because we can see the surge in the crypto market where the Bitcoin price has pumped. So on today's video, we'll be discussing about the Bitcoin price both in the hourly time frame and the higher time frame, and also we'll be checking out how things are going to take place in the upcoming days. Recently on our social media platform, we talked about this pump. We analyzed the chart and we mentioned that how the market is going to change, and we can see it that we have been posting about this when Bitcoin was at 56.5k, and then we posted another chart that Bitcoin is aiming for 60k, and then the latest chart that we posted was the difference between the USDT dominance and the Bitcoin chart. And here we mentioned when the price was at 57.8k, we mentioned that we will be seeing this pump coming in, and right now we can see it that in this chart the price is at 59.4k and it went all the way up to 59.8k. It slightly missed to touch the 60k level. But here's the thing, what's gonna happen next? What are we gonna see in the market? So here's my approach on Bitcoin, and I'll be analyzing this. Before analyzing this hourly chart, I would like to show you what's happening in this daily time frame. Now in this daily time frame, if you have seen my previous video, I've mentioned that this support was crucial for Bitcoin to hold, and then if this support becomes weak, we'll be seeing Bitcoin close to 51 or 52k range. That was the approach, but somehow the Bitcoin price made a strong support here, and then we saw this bounce coming in. So we still have a resistance to hold on that is close to 60.5k, and the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin must break this level right here, and once we break this level we might be seeing Bitcoin reaching all the way to 60k or close to it. But here's the deal, we need to be cautious enough to see whether or not we'll be seeing a pump all the way to 65 or 66k, and here's the important thing or important aspect that we need to look at, which I'll be showing it to you in the hourly time frame chart. If we have to analyze the upcoming move on Bitcoin, let us approach to this hourly time frame and we'll try to see what's going on in the market recently. So we saw this pump coming in, and then from this level we haven't reached to this higher resistance trend line, which is close to 60.7 or 60.5k, and even in the daily time frame we saw it that this is the resistance that Bitcoin is trying to hold. So we can clearly see that we still have a room for Bitcoin to grow all the way to 60k, and once we reach that level I'm expecting a rejection in the market. And the reason why I'm expecting this is because of this previous move right here, and if you will check this previous move right here, we saw the similar move coming in where Bitcoin tried to rally up, but it failed to do so. We can see this move coming in. And if you will project this picture, we can see the similarity between the recent move and this previous move. Bitcoin tried to make a similar move right here where it tried to push the price up, but it failed, and then we can see this approach where it hit the resistance and then it hit once again, making a double top, you can call it, and then a nice rejection that took place right here. So this is what we saw it in the past, and we might see this coming in again if Bitcoin doesn't hold strong right here. Why am I saying this? Because if we compare this chart with the USDT dominance, we can see the similar move coming in where the USDT dominance is trying to bounce back from this support level. And if we see this pattern, if I'm not wrong, this pattern is similar to a falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern by the way, and we might see this bounce coming in. So be cautious with all the trades that you are taking. And then here, if we talk about this pattern, what pattern we are forming here, this can be a bearish flag pattern as well. We can see it that the trend lines are parallel to each other, and this is like a bearish flag pattern if I'm not wrong. And then yeah, after this move, if the rejection takes place, then yes, be prepared for a Bitcoin to reject further. So as I mentioned, we still have a room for Bitcoin to reach towards 60k, but this is something that we need to be prepared. We can see the rejection taking place here, but I'm just hoping that we will reach 60k, close to 60.5k or 60.6k, and after that a rejection to take place. That's the analysis that I'm keeping it as of now, and I hope that you find this video informative. Please do not consider this as a financial advice. This video is only meant for educational purposes. So if you haven't followed me on my social media platforms, do follow me over there, because I've been posting a lot of information, a lot of charts over here on my X platform, on my Telegram platform, and TradingView as well. So do check all my social media links down in the description, and do hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. God bless you all. Have a great weekend. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.